everyone. Welcome to the Bomb Podcast. I am your host, Aishan Shetty, and with me is my co host, Bhumi Shetty. Today we have a very special guest. He's a dear friend of mine and Bhumi, Raj Dhamal. What's up, Raj?
All good, man. How are you?
No, we're not kidding. That's his actual.
Yeah, he
last-
loves Bollywood so much. His last name is Dhamal.
That's
So,
true.
yeah.
Gotta live up to the name.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't choose Dhamal as the movie we're covering or revisiting. We chose K3G, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yeah, it was his choice.
And just to tell you a little bit more about Raj and his love for films and the reason why he's a guest on this show. So I love Raj and discussing movies with Raj. I feel like he, apart from my wife, is the only other person that I can really sit and have a great conversation about movies. And he's a fan of Hrithik Roshan, huge fan of Hrithik Roshan. And there are two types of fans in this world, okay? The first fan, even if that actor drops a piece of tatti. So we wanted users that wanted me to speak Hindi. I'm
That's
dropping
your-
that
That's your
word.
word for today's
That's your
movie.
Hindi word for today.
Yeah.
Um,
Say it again.
even if they drop a tatti,
Mm-hmm.
some fans will be like, "Oh yeah, it smells great, sounds great, all this stuff," right?
Looks.
So Raj is fan number 2, so he can look me in the eye and say that, you know what, Hrithik Roshan's War 2 is not a great film. I can look him in the eye and say,
It is.
Jab Harry Met Sejal is not a great Shah Rukh Khan performance, because we have a certain standard
Yeah.
Exactly.
for our actors. We've seen Koi Mil Gaya Guzarish, Devdas Chapte India, Bhumi.
What?
You're also like that, right?
Yeah, I'm very like
You're fan number 2.
Yeah, I'm fan number 2
Definitely.
all the way.
All
Yeah.
the way?
I didn't
Okay.
even watch so many movies with him. Because I knew it's not going to be good.
Yeah.
And I don't want that
By
image
him,
of
what do you mean him?
Salman. You know, we all know, and everyone watching knows who we are talking about. My husband.
But yeah,
Actual husband.
Yeah.
truly appreciate the introduction, man. And I mean, the feelings mutual, and likewise, always have a good time chatting with you on a corner in a party and just talking about
Always.
great movies.
They're always in a corner.
Right,
Always in a
and
corner.
you and I seek each other that like this movie's out. Let's talk about it.
I feel like you guys in a party, both of you need like some downtime to like bounce back, and y'all are each other's downtime buddies.
Right,
Or in a
Definitely.
party,
exactly. Like
right?
giving each other the recharge needed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they go and charge together in the side.
Yeah.
And when they're charging on the side, they're like talking about movies
Right.
like super seriously.
Yeah, it's refreshing, I think, because a lot of our friends, they love movies, but I feel like we go into the depth of it.
Yeah. We really love
maybe-
cinema in
Right,
general.
right.
Yeah, which I feel like maybe some people don't get as deep as us, which is fine.
Yeah. I mean,
To each his own.
yeah.
But Raj really wanted to cover K3G, and I wanted to ask him why did you want to cover K3G? Why is this movie so important to you?
I think it defined like Hindi cinemas when I was growing up. It's the movie that you go back to whenever you feel down or you just want to have a good time. You know what you're getting into,
Yeah.
and it's such a classic. Every performance that you see, every scene that you go through, it's such a beautiful, well shot movie.
Yeah.
Beautiful songs, as in every actor has done their part. I mean,
Yes.
and the actors in it. I mean,
Exactly.
there's no. I mean, there are like big names one after another.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
So it's like everything that you want and you're looking for. And from a memory standpoint, when I was just growing up, I mean, I must be 4 or 5. It holds such a beautiful, I mean, memory in my conscience, because I grew up watching these sort of movies with my family and especially with my sisters.
Yeah.
And it's such a great, like you and I discuss movies. My sister and I won't discuss a lot of movies, but we know what kind of movies we like, and we just sit next to each other and watch it together
Yeah.
while we are just fighting for the remote. But we'll just keep watching the movies that we like.
Yeah.
So those are the memories that bring
Yeah.
back.
This movie brings back.
Like back.
True, 100%. I think it's, if I want to introduce someone to Bollywood, I think Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum would
Exactly.
be
Yeah.
the movie to do so. It would be a good contender.
Definitely. I think for me, being the only American-born Desi here in this room.
NRI plug alert.
Yeah, I didn't get to see a lot of movies in the theater, so a lot of times we had to depend on DVDs, obviously. I mean, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum was one of the first DVDs that I think we got as a family. I was probably like 6 years old when we got it. This film was probably at the top if you were to ask me what film defined my childhood, it's this film directly has defined my childhood. Very funny. I was a Shah Rukh Khan fan when I was born, I think. And after I saw Kaho Na Pyar Hai, I was a Hrithik fan for like a year. And then I saw Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. And you'll be disappointed to hear that I switched back to Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
And since then, I've always been a Shah Rukh Khan fan. But definitely one of my favorite Hrithik Roshan performances. I think he shines in like every moment of this film. And I personally think he's the main character.
Because he is the glue.
He's the
Right.
glue of the entire film.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Man, I just love this film because it showcases 3 pairs from different generations.
Right.
So you have Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Badri, or Jaya Bachchan,
That would be-
from the 70s, 80s primarily.
Yeah.
And then you have Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol from 90s, 2000s. And then Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor from 2000s onwards.
Yeah.
Right? So it's just a perfect blend of 3 to 4 decades of just very popular actors
Right.
in one film.
Yeah,
It
and
works
it's
really
very
well.
like parallel. Everyone has their spot in the movie.
Right.
Like all 3 couples have their spot in the movie.
Yeah.
All 3 couples are relatable and they've done it very beautifully where it's not hogging anyone's
Right.
time.
Yeah.
They just shine equally.
Exactly. They're all working towards
Right.
making the movie better. And I think that's why it's such a well-rounded movie of all time.
Right.
It's
And
the movie.
that's why it works, right? I
Yeah.
mean, if it were the other route, like as in if one actor is going for his or her glory,
Yeah.
maybe it would not turn out as good as you would want it to
Yeah.
be, right?
Definitely. Yeah. And I love the themes of this film. Like, it's all about loving your parents. It's a mix of a love story with a family drama, but then it's also a story about a mother and son, as well as a father and son, and the nuances between those relationships,
Sibling.
as well as sibling relationships. It covers just so much in 3.5 hours. It's a long movie.
And then grandparent, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
It covers everything
Literally
under the sun.
everything.
And I think it does a really good job of covering everything really well. And I
Yeah.
feel like that can just be accredited to Karan Johar as a director.
Yeah, and it's like basically why is this movie relevant even today? Like when we rewatched it, there was very few things, like some fat jokes here and there. Other than that, even now it stands the test of time because there is nothing that's really that bad.
Yeah.
Okay. And it has stood the test of time because every time I watch it, even when I was watching it, rewatching it with him,
Right.
I was saying the dialogues. I have this movie at the tip of my tongue. And still so I enjoyed it as much as I do every
Every time.
time. Like that's why I feel like it's such a feel-good movie. You can watch it and count on it to like have a good date. You know?
I want to ask you, Raj. So, like, do you typically like big family dramas like Hum Saath Saath Hai, Hum Aapke Kaun? I'm trying to think. Mohabbat is, I would consider a family film also.
Dilwale.
Yeah. Like, are those films like among your top 10, or is this just the one that just kind of shines above the rest?
I think this is an anomaly.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't mind watching a good family entertainer, but I wouldn't go and seek these movies out and watch them. And I'm just Googling or chat GPTing as to where can I find this movie.
Yes. Got
But this is an anomaly, as in it. I mean, if other ones pop up while I'm trying to browse on one of my OTT platforms, I would maybe watch it. Like we used to. I mean, our earlier OTT platform used to be the channels,
Yeah.
Z Cinema,
Zee
or
Yeah,
Star
Cinema,
Gold,
Cinemax.
right? You would always see on a Z Cinema or Star Gold like a Hum Aapke Hai Kaun playing, and you just watch it from any scene.
Yeah.
You will love it,
Yeah.
obviously, but you won't go and seek that movie
Yeah.
as you would a K3G.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, definitely.
No, that's what he's asking. So in that genre, like is that your go-to genre of movies or like
Oh,
yeah.
my go-to genre would be a good romantic comedy,
Okay.
right? And I mean, I think this fits the bill.
Yeah.
I mean, it has everything, but
That's comedy.
Yeah.
the drama is good, but
Yeah.
it's more than what we'd like today,
Yes.
given the length of it.
Definitely.
But
yeah.
so good comedy, drama, some action, but mainly good comedy and drama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Agreed.
So yeah, just to give you guys a little bit of facts about this movie, released in 2001, it was the highest grossing film of that year
Rightfully so.
in Bollywood, but it was followed very closely by another film. Do you
Which
guys
one?
know which one it is?
Wait, what year did it come out?
2001.
One.
Hold on.
I think Gadar and Lagan was around 2000, right?
That is
No, that was 2001. It
2001.
was Gadar.
Gadar, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Gadar Ek Prem Katha.
Yeah.
So that I mean, I was looking at the numbers, just off by like a couple crores. That's it. So two huge films
Yeah.
from 2001, and yeah, I mean the songs were a rage. I don't know. I feel like this film is like, I don't know, an NRI's like blueprint movie.
Yeah, but that's
For
what I'm
sure.
saying.
Yeah.
It brings every walk of life together.
Together,
'Cause
yeah.
If you like, the main thing about this movie is the essence of this movie is the Indian family dynamics.
Yeah.
Right? That's what the essence of the movie is. So at any whatever class you belong to, whatever caste you belong to, whatever, hate to put it that way, but any sector of life that you come from in any place and you're an Indian, you will resonate with this movie because you might have gone through something that they have
Gosser.
gone through, they've shown in the movie.
Yeah.
So which is why I feel like that essence of, okay, respect your elders and, like how the wives are with the husbands and things like that. Every scene of the movie
Right.
is going to resonate with someone. That's why it's like such, and you guys also must have felt that way because they migrate to, London, abroad, and like that link is there. So it brings everyone together. It's like a whole, it's a whole.
Right. The interesting bit for me was always imagining how Indians live abroad.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It was novel and alien. That idea never came into our heads. And watching it through a movie, I used to be like, wow.
Literally.
That's
guy, I
funny
mean,
because
these-
I felt that the scenes in India, or what they showcased as
Yeah,
India,
yeah,
Right.
Delhi.
that was very like, and this is not just this movie, many movies.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
That's the only way I would know, like, okay, this is how people live in India,
Yeah.
Right.
in their home country.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's very interesting that
Yeah.
it's
that
like
you
kind of
felt that and
brings
we
it.
felt it.
It brings the two together.
Mhm.
almost.
Right.
Yeah.
So I wanted to discuss a little bit more about family dramas that were coming out around this
Let's do
decade.
it. Spill the
So
tea.
we had Hum Aapke Kaun, Hum Saath Saath Hai, Mohabbatein, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. These are films I feel like kind of sprinkled in this movie. it
Yeah,
seems.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like the fireplace scene between Shah Rukh Khan.
Amitabh Bachchan is basically the same person from Mohabbat.
Mohabbatein.
Same
Even
exact.
I felt the same thing.
Same exact.
It's like very parampara.
Parampara Pratishta.
There's your
Anushka
second
Sharma.
word. There's your second Hindi word. There's your second Hindi word.
Color, copy paste, color change.
Yeah.
That's what he was
Exactly.
giving.
Without the beard.
Yeah.
Yeah. So a lot of, yeah.
And he was a little more into girls wearing pink
Pink
dresses and
dresses and
dupattas.
He was a little
doing
bit
a
more,
lot of shawa
he was a little bit more modern.
He was a player. He was a
Yeah.
player in this one.
Yeah. No.
But the same person.
But he didn't like it when his son played. Like, no, tabi Anushashan chahiye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how he liked it.
I felt like, yeah, it was a pattern up until probably like what?
Oh my god, yeah. And this movie touches that touchy topic also of you having to marry someone that your parents pick.
Exactly.
So it's like
Yeah.
sari naso pe laat.
Right.
You know?
And
Dukti sari,
and-
dukti naso pe laat.
for the longest time, that's how it used to be. as
Yeah,
in,
even now.
I mean, more back then, now it's now. But still, it's still there here and
even
there.
now,
Yeah.
that's what. So when we were watching the movie, my sister walked into the room and she was literally like, "It's so sad to see this because even now India is the same
I agree. I mean,
for the most part."
it touched on such an important thing on the social fabric of how
Exactly.
families used to operate back then.
And that too, mazak mein. You know,
exactly,
the
yeah.
movie is like so light.
Right,
Mazak mein, but they've touched a really,
right. And
yeah,
no matter where you are, even if you are like a Raichand or a
exactly.
Dhamal,
Exactly.
I mean, not that my parents do, but I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been chill in your house, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, no, it was very interesting to see that because I think I wasn't exposed to like that, like, oh, you need to marry like who your parents decide, like that arranged marriage aspect
Yeah.
until I went to India and
Yeah,
actually
because you were in
experienced.
Vande Mataram.
Yeah, that's yeah. I was one of the girls
Yeah.
walking
Because
with
you're
the
Vande
orange, the orange what? Orange or green
Green, yeah.
next
Walking.
to Ritik,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
You're a Vande Mataram. You know, that's why. But we are a Vande Mataram. We are that one.
Yeah.
So we felt it.
Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit more about Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's chemistry. So this was their. I have to now count. Okay, so Bazigar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
And then
Dilwale.
Dilwale and
Karan Arjun.
no. Karan Arjun, you're right.
You're
Kuch
right, Meet. Yeah.
Kuch
Kuch
Hota
hota
Hai.
hai. Yeah.
And this is the fifth one.
This is the
Yeah.
fifth one.
The fifth one. I feel like this one
Is the
is
best
the
chemistry.
best. Maybe I think it's probably tied with DDLJ. For me.
No, I think for me, their chemistry in this was more like a real married couple,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah.
So for me, like this time watching it,
Yeah.
I felt like, okay, they're so cute and real. Like couples are like that.
I
You
think
know?
more than I think this might be an unpopular opinion. More than their romance, I like their funny bits.
Funny parts,
You know,
exactly.
it's like they bounce off each other so well.
Energy.
Yeah,
I mean, it's like two kids
Literally,
having
yeah.
working together. It's so
It's
fun
like
to watch it
young
together.
love all the time,
Right.
right? I
And-
really liked their, like, that's my favorite couple out of the
Right,
three
right.
in the movie.
Yeah, I felt like also, yeah, you're right, actually. It might be a little bit above DDLJ for
Yeah.
me because, yeah, you're right. As a married couple, it's so funny how, like, especially their little, like, bickering.
Yeah.
I'm like, I could kind of see that in
Yeah.
us also. Like, we
Yeah.
bicker about the same things. Like,
Yeah.
I was really feeling for Shah Rukh when
Yeah.
she was singing and he was getting irritated.
Aisha, don't be rude. You want me to
What?
sing over here? No, but yeah, he literally that conversation we have on a daily basis.
Yeah. And it's actually crazy because my sister-in-law is also living with us here.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
she's
it's the
here
same
with us
dynamic,
right now.
minus
Yeah.
a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So even like when honestly, his and Karina's scenes are
really,
so good,
hilarious.
Yeah.
so
Hilarious.
hilarious, and so like real. That's what I loved. I think this movie you can't have me in this podcast actually because I'm extremely biased.
Bias, right?
I think
Shah Rukh-
Kajol was the top performer here
Yeah,
in terms of like character and acting.
funny,
Yeah.
everything.
I think she exceeded I mean, I don't like to compare, but like she was like the highlight for me this watch during
See,
this watch.
this is one movie where I personally, my stand on this is that everyone understood the assignment
Yeah.
and did their part. Like, I can't see any other actor. Like, no other actress could have played Pooh. No other actress could have played Anjali. Like, I feel like no one can pull off that whole scene with Amitabh Bachchan where she breaks the vase, like the vase, the gamla. It's so funny.
It's so funny.
Like, everyone in that scene has understood
The
the
assignment.
assignment.
Yeah.
I keep thinking about
Exactly. I mean, you can just write it. It's just a funny scene on paper too.
it.
But
Literally. But
her
bringing it to life,
performance is to a different level.
Yeah.
I don't
I
think,
think-
any other actress.
Yeah, I think they were at the peak.
I think
in
yeah,
this
all
movie,
that's the
yeah.
thing is like all of them, I felt like were at their peak
Yeah.
Yes.
with this movie.
Yeah.
Like this is peak Shah Rukh Khan,
Peak.
I think, like the
Peak.
top of his game.
I mean, he's still at the peak. I feel like he's back at. He's
back
having
at-
a second peak,
Second innings, yeah.
but this was his first for
Yeah.
sure.
And Ritik and Kareena starting on a peak.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think
That's
so.
just
Kind
crazy.
of. But like also Anjali as a character, I think I loved so much because she was not made to look a certain glamorous way.
Wait, yeah.
They took the proper Indian desi girl route, like which I love. I
Yeah.
feel like that was so simple and so nice. Her outfits were so simple. Everything was so simple. Nothing extra glamorized,
Yeah.
which is what I really like as a character.
I would call this like a spiritual sequel to Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. It has nothing to do with Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and the characters in it,
Yeah.
but it's like kind of like it takes what worked in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai,
I see
Yeah.
what you
And
mean.
just
That's a good way to put
elevate
it.
it,
Yeah.
yeah. especially like Rani Mukherjee being
Right.
cameo.
Right.
Yeah.
and she was given actually a really good role, but she was given the Aman role.
Yeah.
Basically.
She was
like,
the Aman, but like, why did she slay? Even that. She ate. Like, she was so convincible
Right.
as
Yeah.
Dana.
It was a
And
small and impactful movie.
very
Yeah.
impactful role, I
But-
feel like. And she looked
Exceptional.
so
exceptional.
good.
Exceptional.
Yeah.
She was so hot. Oh my god. I mean, Amitabh Bachchan ही फिसल गया तो
Oh,
वड़ा
yeah.
भी.
I was like, so
Her
if you're
father-in-law-
not doing it, then I'm marrying her too.
Literally.
Figure shit out.
I need answers from Karan on that one. Like, what was that?
Yeah.
Which household is having this relationship between a father-in-law and a daughter-in-law?
True, exactly.
I'd like to see that somewhere.
Coming to Hrithik Roshan, this was his 5th film after Kahona Pyare, Fizza, Mission Kashmir, and Yade, which
He-
also starred Kareena
Kareena
Kapoor.
And him.
And
So obviously,
all these movies released in 2000?
no,
And
so
between 2000 2001.
yeah, between 2000 and 2001,
Yeah.
I think Kahona Pyare was like the first
First
one,
one, yeah.
obviously, and that was a huge freaking
Yeah,
movie.
vlog was
Yeah.
Huge. Fizza and Mission Kashmir were like moderate successes.
Mhm.
Yade was a major flop.
Yeah.
But I think before Yade released, they must have already been filming.
right. And
because she
just to throw in some trivia, he signed K3G before he signed Kauna Pyare.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
he
didn't
did.
know that. Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty crazy.
Yeah, I
and
had no idea.
and just the security that you need as an actor to sign in, you'd always imagine to go for a lead role movie
Yeah.
while you're beginning, right? And
Yeah.
just to have sign into a family entertainer wherein you're sharing space with such huge actors,
Yeah.
we can easily be sidelined in any day,
Yeah.
even that you're just starting out. But
Yeah.
that's really cool for him
Yeah,
to sign
for
it.
him to do
I
that.
think this also, I
But
feel
you know, Karan and him grew up
Yeah,
together.
yeah.
So maybe that's why also.
The comfort, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, I feel like when he came onto the scene, right, it was a big threat for these like three cons, to be honest.
Of course.
A
yeah.
huge, like, it was just kind of like, who is this guy? And he's like now at the top with just one movie. Then he had a couple of flops, a couple of films that didn't work that well. And I feel like this kind of brought him back along with Koi Mil Gaye, right? So then it started to come back up. So I felt like this film was a win-win for everyone
Everybody, yeah.
involved.
Yeah.
He was given a big role too. It wasn't like he was sidelined
At all.
at all. So
Yeah, so my thing with him in this movie, this is one of my favorite performances of him of all time. Like,
Yeah.
number one, and something else will be tied with this Doom maybe,
yeah,
Doom 2 maybe. But here in this movie, he acted.
yes,
There was no overacting. There was no underacting. He just plain simple acting. He looked good. He danced well. So this is what he is. This is what Hrithik is. And that's why I think it's my favorite performance of him. And even his character is so younger sibling coded. It's so
Right.
well written. So, like you feel that connection with him. And as I said earlier also, he's the glue of the film.
yeah.
So,
Yeah, he's the one that sets things really in motion with the film.
yeah. And they did that little subtle thing where he was a fat kid and then he's like coming to himself now. He has like
Right.
biceps the size of me, like all that is going on. So, which is a good thing because they kind of redeemed themselves a little bit for all the fat jokes that were happening in the first half of this movie,
Right.
which yeah.
So I think this part was like tailor made for him. Like Karan Johar sat on a table
Yeah.
and like stitched that role according to Hrithik Roshan. And he was
1000%.
like, dude, just say yes.
Yeah.
And then they just started cooking from there.
Yeah, and knowing what I know about Hrithik, probably wrote it together. They were sitting on the table together
Yeah,
and they wrote this role together
right.
for him.
exceptional. What good, looks is, I think we should not even talk about his looks
Exactly.
anymore.
Yeah.
I think it's his suave, the way
He
he
was in his
like
prime. Yeah.
used to just be.
Yeah.
The way he danced, exceptional. That's not a revelation after watching Kauna Pyare, but
Yeah.
still the vibe is so different
So
in K3G. It's just. I think I'll have to find some words to just describe what I feel about his
Him
performance.
in
So
this
did
movie?
you
Yeah.
become a Hrithik fanboy after this movie, or like
Probably Kahuna
before-
Pyare, na?
I think after the shit, I'm at a loss of words. Which is the
Kahuna
Pickle
Pyare.
Ka Jeena.
Kaho Na Pyare.
Yeah, Kaho Na
Oh,
Pyare.
Kaho Na
yeah,
Pyare.
yeah.
Okay.
The
Especially
first
after,
movie itself, yeah.
especially, I mean, still the Rohit part is all right, but when they move on to
Yeah.
Switzerland, New,
Yeah.
New Zealand, I guess,
Yeah.
New Zealand, and he's Raj,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
ooh,
right?
I
And
just realized that.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
did not put two and two together.
Yes,
Yeah.
Like,
up until now. When he's Raj,
Yeah.
yes, it was a dhamal
right,
from there on.
and then from there he's like, he's just, I mean, and the fact, I think he's one of the first heroes to have glasses, wearing
Yes.
glasses and acting.
Yeah.
I think from that point, I was like, dude, this is my guy, and I'm going
The
to,
frameless
it's my
glasses.
ride and die for Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's basically, yeah, like, did you see that meme on Instagram where the shot of Tiger Shroff looking so in love with Hrithik and
Yeah.
everyone's like, we get it,
We get it,
Tiger.
yeah.
That's you
Exactly,
right
yeah,
now.
for sure.
I get it, Tiger. No, but no, when I see him on screen, I feel the same way.
2000s was definitely
His-
like Hrithik's
yeah.
prime for sure. Moving on to Kareena
My
Kapoor.
baby.
So Bhumi's a huge fan of Kareena Kapoor.
I will die on the Kareena hill. I live on the Kareena hill.
I feel like a lot of people would die on that hill.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
for
It's not
sure.
some unpopular opinion. Like, she's the best.
I feel like Pooh's like the most iconic
Yeah.
character.
No
Ever.
doubt, no
I,
doubt.
like if I had to list out top 5
Yeah.
Bollywood characters,
Yeah, if there's a Bollywood
Pooh's in
party.
there for
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
she's top 2. I think first is Pooh and second one's Geet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close second, yeah,
Literally.
right?
She's only given iconic stuff.
True.
Like, if there's a Bollywood party, 7 people are coming dressed as Pooh. So
No,
that's
100%.
iconic.
because that happened with our party.
No, it didn't because we told them.
Yeah, I had to tell people
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
dress up as Pooh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and everyone was like, is Pooh taken?
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's the iconic character, and I feel that only Bebo can do it in a way where you don't end up hating Pooh.
Exactly.
Yeah,
It's such a thin line, right?
It
It's a very
is
thin
such a
line,
thin
yeah.
line. Because she's honestly a mean girl, but only Pooh can do it in a way where she's also Pooja and also Pooh. Okay?
Yeah.
So when I pointed it out when we were rewatching the movie also. The scene where he says Chandu ki chacha ne the whole thing to her.
We need to do that.
Finally got it. And her demeanor suddenly changes and she's like, Laddu? And before that she's doing all that, oh, I'm the bitch. Sorry, I'm the,
Yeah.
queen bee, whatever. And right when she realizes, the whole guard falls down and the switch. So I hate it when people say Kareena can't act. She can very well act, I feel like.
Right.
Oh, she's great. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's
In
such
this,
a
she's
good
really-
In this, she's really good. Like, you can't hate her.
Yeah, it's over the top, obviously.
Yeah,
I
but it's
think
meant to be.
meant to
the
be.
character's meant to be
Yeah,
over the
yeah,
top.
for sure.
Yeah, she was a huge.
And it's meant to be that way because if you see Rohan, right? His
Yeah,
name is,
Rohan.
he does not fall for that. He's the one who makes her realize that
Right.
you're not all that.
Right.
Yeah, yeah,
You know what I mean? So it's really well written, and she's meant to be a little obnoxious.
Right.
yeah.
And she's done it beautiful.
Exceptionally well.
Yeah.
Moving on to Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan.
Keh diya na?
Right, Chan. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You gotta
That's-
do the tongue twister.
Literally.
If you're gonna do that, you gotta do the tongue twister.
should.
I
We
can do
should.
the tongue twister.
I
Chandu ki
can't.
chacha ne chandi ki chachi ko chani rock ne chandi ki chami se chatti chatai.
That's good.
I'll
Yeah.
give it a
Good,
7
good
out of
speed,
10.
good
Chandni
speed.
Raat.
It's good.
No, I can do it again. Chandu ki chacha ne chandu ki chachi ko chani raat mein chani ki chamat se chatti chatai. That's a 10.
That's good. That's good.
That's a 10 on 10.
That's a 10, yeah.
Should I try it?
Yeah, do it.
That's right.
चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची का चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदनी की चमक छठी चटाई
That's 11 on.
Ding,
That's
ding,
an
ding,
11.
ding, 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 ding.
Dhamal.
My favorite, before all that happens, is in the song, there's like a girl that's like, who are you?
Yeah. Not some girl. She only says, Pooh only says, who are you?
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No, there's like a girl, another girl in the song only.
That is who is he, I think. And then she only asks him, who are you?
That was hilarious.
Yeah, it's hilarious.
That song
Those
very-
two girls were very annoying.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Kicks.
inside. Hey, dude, we wanted to ask you. So we were watching this. The guy that played Robbie died, right?
I'm
I
gonna
think so.
1 second.
I think so.
I don't think it was that actor, guys.
Dude, I'm pretty sure he
think he
died.
did,
Let
he
me
did.
check.
Pretty sure he's not alive
Now that
anymore.
you say it, I think he did.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyways, I wanted to move on to Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan. So yeah, they're a real life couple. If you guys didn't know, I feel like I haven't seen too much of Jaya Bachchan's movies. I've only seen her in Sholay,
Right.
this movie, and Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahaani.
Gary, yeah.
And I thought all three are iconic
Exceptional
roles.
performance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but I feel like she has amazing chemistry with Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
She does.
As a
She
mom.
does.
Insane. Like my favorite scene of this entire film is the mall scene.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
It's
That's
heart
the
wrenching.
best scene of the whole film.
I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just how did they even do that? It felt like they were made to bond with each other and then separated
exactly.
just so that
It
the
feels
scene
like
could
it.
come off real. Because it just sends chills down my,
That I feel like I thought like some scenes in this movie wouldn't age that well when I'm rewatching it.
Yeah.
But honestly, for the most part, I think everything hit.
Everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
For sure. Even to start with the chopper scene,
Yeah.
I mean, that's one hell of a scene for an
Yeah.
actor to get off
Yeah.
a chopper and run,
And run.
and you
yeah,
have
yeah,
like
yeah.
a Jaya Bachchan standing for you with a thali.
Literally.
Yeah.
So that's a beautiful scene. You have
Beautiful
never
scene.
seen that ever in any
Ever.
of the Bollywood,
Yeah.
any of
Yeah.
the Bollywood movie. But
Yeah.
the mall scene, coming back to the mall scene, it breaks my heart when I watch Jaya Bachchan cry.
Like
I don't know
that.
why.
She does it
Because
so
she doesn't know she even has a
Ah.
grandson. She doesn't even know
nothing.
like
It's
anything.
so like, and she's just such a good actress, man.
Yeah.
Like I think she's the queen of not doing too much, doing so much without doing too much.
Right.
Like even her role in Sholay, it's so good. She barely has any dialogues, but the presence, you feel it.
Right.
Such good scenes. But like I always enjoy seeing her. Even in Rocky Aur Rani, she was my favorite part.
Exceptional.
Yeah, she
dude.
was great
She was
in that.
so
I
good.
mean, great acting.
Yeah.
Great acting.
Yeah. And then
Her behavior with the media, that's a whole separate
Oh
discussion.
yeah. We needed separate.
Kinda scared
separate
of her a
conference for
little
it.
bit.
that'll be another episode
Yeah.
Yeah.
of this
I'm
podcast.
kind of scared of her a little bit, but she acts really well.
I mean, Have you seen her podcast with her?
Yeah,
With
Navya.
Navya. What's up, Navya? Something like that.
Yeah.
I've
What the hell?
what the hell,
Navya?
Navya? She's
I've never heard
she's
this is a podcast.
Yeah,
she does.
Navya has a podcast with Jaya Bachchan and Shweta Bachchan.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And it's like if you put me, my mom, and my sister.
the energy would be like.
Intense.
I mean, you would just like to leave that room.
Literally.
ASAP.
Because she's like, okay, no, I'm done. No, I'm done. I don't want to, like things like that.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
So yeah, scared of her, but she really acts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
she doesn't.
exceptionally.
That character does not come into this movie.
At
Right,
all.
yeah.
She's played it so well. And in the end, when she finally has had enough, she's done it very well
Yeah.
without disrespecting her husband, but she said it, whatever was in her heart.
Right.
To me, she's the most powerful character in
Yeah.
this film.
I love
Like
her.
even over Amitabh Bachchan, I
Yeah.
think she has the grip of the entire film
Yeah.
in her hands.
Yeah.
But coming to Amitabh Bachchan, I was watching this film and I'm like, dude, this guy, even today, is the most adaptable actor
Yeah, dude.
in the entire
In
industry.
the entire industry.
And he's gone through just like cycles and cycles of just different phases of his career. And even till this day, he's acting,
Yeah.
which is insane. And he's just doing roles that resonate with him.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know.
And it's like challenging roles.
Yeah, definitely.
Always. Like that's what I appreciate. He's the most resilient actor that Bollywood has ever seen because his range is out of this world. Even in this movie, it's like I feel scolded. When he's like on the screen and he's like his scenes with Shah Rukh when he realizes that Shah Rukh has gotten married or Shah Rukh is saying that he won't marry Naina. Such powerful scenes. It just you feel it in your soul when he's like saying those things that today you hurt me a lot. Bahut dukh diya hai and this all
Right.
that.
Right.
You actually, like Karan is like touching the, nuts of like that moment of like, oh yeah, he's disappointed in me. He acts so well that you feel like you feel the emotion.
Yeah.
So he always gets the assignment in the movie can be shit, but he's always good.
Yeah.
Always.
And especially that scene. On a lighter note, that scene where he says, the scene is exactly, आज तुमने साबित कर दिया
कि
कि
तुम
तुम
woman.
कि तुम मेरे खून नहीं हो,
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
कि
the
तुम्हें मेरा
worst.
खून नहीं दौड़ता. I
Yeah.
was like, damn, dog.
Yeah.
I mean, you had your own side piece when in your prime. Yeah, and you don't want your son to have his own wife. I mean, why is- I was like,
Literally. Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah.
but I mean, like joke apart, but his performance in that scene, he's not even looking back. He's just looking in one direction and like giving it his all in that scene.
Yeah.
And talking about resilience, I think people have come and gone like multiple generations, but he
Yeah.
has been there since he
Literally.
started. And the funny part is people did not want him in his movies when he was just starting out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So many flops
That's so-
and then
yeah.
finally one.
One.
right.
And then he's never seen back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And with age, I mean, now he's like very much into his 80s now, and
Yeah.
still acting and finding good scripts. I think in Kalki, I
Yeah.
think by far the best actor in that movie.
Oh,
I mean, that's
100%.
I mean,
Hands
I didn't
down.
watch
Yeah.
that, but
Yeah, it was
I can-
hands
I
down
can
that
assume.
was the best performance. If there's any redeeming quality to that film,
it was Amitabh
it was
Bachchan.
Amitabh
Yeah.
Bachchan, yeah.
and I look forward to what he'll be in one of his next movies.
Yeah.
Really excited.
Yeah, this was technically his second innings, I think.
Yeah.
So he started playing older characters.
Yeah.
Abate, Suryavansham, Major Saab.
Right.
That's kind of what started all of this, and then slowly came.
Suryavansham was like a staple.
It's on
Dude, so-
Setmax every
Every
day
day,
and
every
he's
day.
not watched
didn't
it,
watch
Raj.
I have not watched.
It's
it.
the dekhi
You know,
nahi.
it's not a film that was. I don't know. Maybe I just
Ashan,
missed it. But
Be ready, be ready, be ready.
no, because
all I'm
I'm just telling you, we didn't have in our household. We didn't have the channels like
Right.
Yeah,
basic
yeah, yeah.
channels. So that there was another film, Nayak, starring Anil Kapoor. I hadn't seen these films until like recently
Got it.
because we were never exposed to these films. And
Yeah,
now-
we told him about Nayan.
That's a classic too. And
Classic.
what a movie.
This one, Suryavansham, though, is like we're gonna if you're in India and you've watched one movie in your life, you're not into movies, but you've watched this one movie, that's Suryavansham.
Really.
Because it was on Setmax every day.
Every day. It's
Yeah.
like
Every day.
probably one of the biggest memes and the most relevant memes throughout India.
To this day.
Oh god.
Yeah.
That's-
Either Hira or his dad.
Oh, I mean,
Yeah,
that's the voice. He like, तुम्हारे केवड़े की smell, it is still in my car. I know it was you.
Oh God. Even the puke.
Yeah, it's like a
Unreal.
projectile motion.
Dude, how did he do that? He plays two people in that movie.
Yeah, I know. He played
And
the
he's
father and son.
played both so well.
That's crazy.
Both so well.
And he's a great businessman in that movie.
Yeah.
It's like within 5 minutes, he's
I
like a
know, right?
crorepati. I want 100 buses parked outside my house.
Too good. All right, let's get into some Bollywood bites. It's the trivia.
We're not going to discuss the supporting cast.
I mean, we can
Yeah, we should.
go for it.
What do you mean, go for it?
Which one?
You got to conduct it, right?
Yeah. So tell me about the.
No, I'm just saying that I feel like this movie also had a very strong supporting cast. Even the supporting cast, everybody understood their assignment.
Yeah.
And I think you can't not mention Johnny Lever. I feel like this movie, Johnny Lever in this movie is what I love to watch.
Okay.
You know what I mean? It's not a forced version of what we are getting nowadays.
Yeah. Now it's like too much.
Like him in
forced.
Bhool Bhulaiya was heartbreaking to
It
watch.
wasn't in Bhool Bhulaiya.
Sorry, what movie did we
Houseful.
watch him in recently?
Houseful 5?
Yeah, Houseful 5.
Terrible.
Terrible.
movie.
Bhool Bhulaiya I say because Rajpal Yadav ke saath bhi yahi ho raha hai abhi.
Yeah.
I don't like that. It was heartbreaking to watch him in that. Even Houseful 5, heartbreaking. Rubbish roles they give them. So when in this movie, it was so that whole scene where Johnny Lever, his
कहाँ
son,
गए?
that's his actual son, by the
Actual
way.
son, yeah. He's in
And-
war.
Yeah, and they're like, कहाँ गए? कहाँ
कहाँ
गए?
गए? कहाँ गए?
That was a good scene.
That
Actually.
was
Love
so
it, love it.
funny. So funny. And it just kept, and even Hrithik has acted so well in
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Because if it was any other movie, थोड़ी सी over हो सकती थी वहाँ पर. Sorry, I know you love him. But इसमें he was so funny.
Spot on.
Very good. Even the kid was amazing. All three of them. Even that
Yeah,
auntie
auntie
who's
was
always there. in all
Joke
these-
था जी.
Joke that.
He was in the kid was in he just actually debuted in a film. I think it was Ishq Vishk 2.
Who?
This guy, the one that
Oh,
plays
yeah,
Shah Rukh
yeah,
Khan's
yeah,
son.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Jibran Khan.
Yes.
Jibran
Yeah,
Khan.
yeah.
Ishq Vishk 2. He just did.
He just debuted.
Yeah.
Uh,
He's good though. I mean,
Yeah,
he was
he's
okay in
cute.
it. Yeah, he's cute. Yeah. Ye so many callbacks to Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
There's a
That
lot,
dialogue
actually.
between Naina and Rohit. Rahul. Naina and Rahul.
They reused
क्या
that.
लगता है राहुल? That one. मुझे लगता है नैना. क्या लगता है राहुल? They do that in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai also.
And
The tune also.
the background
Yeah.
score is
Is it Surachu Amata?
Oh, is it?
So if
Yeah.
you listen to it,
Yeah.
when they're like running towards each other in the song,
Yeah.
the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai tune
it,
is
got
in
it.
that.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So,
Yeah. Even that ye joke tha to.
to.
I don't like jokes. I
Right.
don't like you. That's also from Kuch Kuch
Kuch
Hota
Hota
Hai.
Hai,
Yeah.
yes.
And they've had so many scenes. Even that kid, he's counting the stars.
stars, yeah.
So I feel like Karan was onto something there because now nostalgia is what's selling,
Right.
Yeah.
right? So he was way ahead of his time. He's done callbacks then.
Yeah, one thing I didn't realize was so the Yashwardhan house, right? That mansion
Right.
was in England.
Right.
It's not in Delhi.
It's
Yeah, for sure.
obviously not
Never.
in
I mean, never. You would see a Chandni Chowk in Delhi, but not a house like this in
Yeah,
Delhi.
Chandni Chowk was also in Goregaon.
Right.
In Film
The
City.
studio.
No, but this obviously it's not. But this movie is escapism done.
Yeah.
ये चल इतना discount दे सकते.
Right.
They want to show a big mansion. यहाँ इंडिया में था नहीं. थोड़ा तो imagination use
Exactly,
करो यार.
yeah.
It's okay.
Like a creative
Yeah.
leeway you'll
Yeah.
give them.
Creatively there. Exactly.
All right, another trivia thing. So this actor had done a cameo role in the film, but he was removed. That scene was removed from the film.
Was it Abhishek
It
Bachchan?
was Abhishek Bachchan. Yeah. So Abhishek Bachchan did a small cameo in
Yeah.
this film.
Interesting.
You know what was another heartbreaking scene from this
Oh,
movie?
you know what? I've seen it on YouTube. That's why I remember it.
You've seen it?
Yeah, so that cameo, there are a bunch of deleted scenes from this
Oh,
movie.
I didn't know
movie.
that. Okay, wait.
And I would love for you guys to watch it. Yeah,
Really?
so
I
there's a
should- I
bunch of deleted like scenes from this movie. And it's, I mean, you think that why would they not keep it? But
Yeah.
given the length of this
Then
movie,
the
I mean,
movie would
yeah,
become 5 hours
yeah, then
long
you
now.
would need like
That's-
2 intervals to watch this
But what
movie.
happens in the scene? I'm curious.
Yeah.
It's just that like Ritik just roasts her for something and just goes out of the frame, and then you see Abhishek Bachchan coming in and going like she's like ranting and he's like, "मेरे को तो ये पूछना था," something like that.
Yeah.
And then he goes something like that,
Very him. Very him
Right.
coded.
and a couple of other scenes.
Yeah.
But
You've not wa-
couple of people that I don't know if you guys must have caught it back then. The kid playing with Jaya Bachchan in the opening
That's,
scene.
that's,
Yeah,
that
that's
I know.
Aryan
That's
Khan.
Aryan.
Yep.
And the bowler who bowls to Hrithik Roshan in the one of the opening scenes, that's Punit Malhotra.
Oh, I
yeah,
didn't know that.
He's in his
Okay.
puberty age. He's like all his pimples on his face. So he's like the director of I Hate Love Story
Yeah.
and Shorty too.
Yeah.
That sucks, but I
Yeah.
Hate Love Story is still good.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
I mean, that's like Dharma family. You have
Yeah,
a bunch
yeah,
of
fully.
directors assisting him, doing this and that for him.
Damn.
Yeah.
Did you guys know that Waida Rahman was initially cast as Amitabh Bachchan's mother?
Oh.
And she even filmed some scenes. However, her husband passed away,
Okay,
and then she had to drop out.
got it.
So she filmed most of the scenes with that.
But they were also very cute. No, I was saying another heartbreaking scene from the movie is the scene between Farida Jalal and Hrithik.
Hrithik, yeah.
When she finds out it's
Oh.
him.
Oh my
God. I
God.
always cry. That scene
Beautiful
gets
scene.
me.
That
Beautiful
was a good
scene.
scene.
And like the shoelace thing, and she like forces.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
It was too cute. And even when he by mistake calls her Deej, and he's like, and when she leaves, he's like, yeah.
Right? It's so subtle, but
It's
you
so
have to
subtle,
catch
but
it.
it's
Yeah.
So cute. And I think he added this himself.
We had to rewind it.
Because he missed it.
I
And I
missed
was
it.
like, actually, did you see that? Because that's what I'm saying. This is his potential. Sometimes he, in like That era, especially
Mhm.
not now. Now I think he acts very well. Even like Super 30, I loved him in
Definitely.
that.
Yeah.
Even the Vikram Veda, he was
Yeah.
too good.
He's
in it.
exceptional in that movie.
Too good.
I
So
think
War
yeah.
2 is the one thing that I was like, it's such a missed opportunity.
Really, he was very good.
I was really disappointed that
Yeah.
because Hrithik was great
He
in
was-
War 2, but they could have just banked on Shah Rukh Khan and Hrithik have great chemistry.
Yeah, dude.
Why wouldn't you bank off of that? They're
Yeah.
already in a movie universe.
Together.
Just one scene
Yeah.
would have made all the difference.
Exactly. I don't know
Literally.
why they don't have either Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan coming in a war, but you have them doing cameos in each other's movies.
Yeah,
It does not make sense to me. I mean, if you're saying it's a universe, then
make it a universe.
let
right?
me see them together.
But
with-
maybe he didn't want it. Na, ऐसे भी हो सकता है.
Not
could be,
really. I
yeah.
think Hrithik is more collaborative than one would imagine.
Shah Rukh is the most collaborative guy.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
And Salman also. He
True.
loves
Yeah,
to
I
give
mean, yeah, I mean, these
cameos.
guys are secure actors.
Salman तो gives in अजब
Right.
प्रेम की गजब
Right,
खानी.
right.
समझ जा अभी तू. अगर
Exactly.
उसमें आके उसने cameo दिया है.
वही तो. I mean, I think all these three guys, these guys are like, they don't want to prove anything. They
हाँ.
can.
They don't
They have
need
the
to
luxury to
भाई
do it.
आज भी थिएटर भर रहे हैं वो लोग
Right.
बुड्ढे हो गए फिर भी थिएटर भर रहे हैं.
Exactly. I don't get it. Ki, why they went the route that they went for War
Yeah.
2, but it could have been a better movie. I was hoping a lot.
I don't think
Well-
you should keep that. They're so old and then also they're like
Why? They are.
Yeah,
No,
it's
no,
a
I don't
reality.
mean-
They're
I
not
like-
young.
Yeah, they're not young. I mean,
No,
even Hrithik is not anymore.
Buddhe as in like, dude, at this age, what they are doing on screen,
Yeah.
it's incredible, is what I'm trying to
First
get
of all,
at.
they all of them look like I'm talking about Hrithik, Salman, Shah Rukh. Look actually like really good for their age.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're killing it. Like the aura of those people, even now, theater भर रहे हैं, अभी भी वो लोग.
Right.
और ये youngies से कुछ हो नहीं पा रहा है. You know what I mean?
True.
Yeah, and it is not just the actors. The stories that are coming out are shit. The concepts are shit. They don't know what to prioritize budget-wise. It's a big hodgepodge because the audience is also facing an issue with attention span.
Exactly.
You know, they're shifting to short form. So, like, it's like a big transitional period, in my
True,
opinion. But cinema will never die.
That's
You know
never
what
going to
I
happen.
mean?
People,
It's not gonna
I mean, until people like us are alive
Yeah,
and talking about what we love here, like we are doing right now,
literally.
that's not going to happen
It's not gonna
ever.
happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
No. What was your guys' favorite scene of the whole film?
Oh, I didn't know that question is coming up next. Okay. I could have waited. Ask you.
Wow, I think I have to think about it. Give me a minute. to
No,
think
take your
about it.
time. What's your favorite?
Mine is the mall. For hands
mall.
down, the mall
Okay.
was
The
mall,
mall
and then I'd say a close second is probably when Hrithik first enters the house.
Yeah, unreal.
Like first
Oh,
enters their
yeah.
house.
Yeah.
I've literally made a note of it because that scene and the Sono Nigam melody in the background,
Literally.
it chokes me up
And
every
their
time.
photo in between, their parents'
I-
photo in
Dude,
between.
I've literally noted it down like
Oh
that. Exactly, word to word, verbatim.
Literally. And their photos in
In
between.
between, yeah.
And it's like, and he's saying, "एक पास है, फिर भी कितनी है दूरी."
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
too good. It's
And-
too good.
Exceptionally short scene.
Very good.
And,
they
the bat
blend
falls
both.
from his shoulder and he's like,
Yeah, and he's like
And
wiping his
yeah,
tears fast, you
dude.
know, because he's like, why am I crying right now? You know,
Right.
I'm a stranger. And it's so crazy because 2 minutes before that, another incredible chemistry between Kareena and Shah Rukh. Okay, and they're having that funny little
yeah,
fight.
yeah,
And suddenly it drops
right.
to this scene.
He's
It's
able to
too-
switch
Switch.
between
Yeah.
two completely
Exactly.
tones.
Yes.
Like
So
Insanely
nicely.
well.
And
So
I
seamlessly.
think that's why you did not see this coming. And that's why I think it used to
It's
get me
more.
choked up because you were like,
Yeah.
and then you were like, damn.
Literally.
It's like that.
Yeah.
And I think this, and I think we already talked about the Farida Chalan and Hrithik
That's too
scene.
good.
These two scenes are like my favorite
Your
scenes.
favorite.
Okay, so I'm gonna give one for each couple.
Okay.
Okay. Most favorite scene for Amitabh and Jaya is when she tells him off. Keh diya na?
Yeah.
Bas keh diya.
You mean towards the end of the film?
Towards
Yeah.
the end of the
Yeah,
film.
okay.
That's my favorite shot of them.
Yeah.
Because she just shows him the reality.
Yeah.
About their relationship, about his relationship with his kids, everything.
Yeah, and she like says like this was not right.
Yeah.
This
And she was like, I never say anything, but keh diya,
Yeah.
main abhi bol rahi hu. Like, that's my favorite scene.
Right.
I love that scene
Yeah.
for them. Shah Rukh and Kajol, most favorite scene is when he's explaining to her while putting the bangle in her hand. Okay. And he's like, you know, and mithai ki dukaan to main leke rahunga. It's like
yeah.
too cute. And even that whole scene, it's so intense. And you know, even if you think skill wise, acting skill wise, right? For them, it's a very slow scene. There are so many gaps between each word that he's saying for them to be in character and look in love.
Right.
And you know, it's not, it's
And
easy to do.
hold your attention.
Hold it, because at the end of the day, you're like acting. This is not real, but it feels like so real. It felt like this time कि मैं scroll करते करते किसके room में आ गई, you know.
Right.
So it was so intense, but the way he's putting it one by one, chuba to nahi, and he's saying something that again he's saying chuba to nahi,
Wow.
and finally when he finishes what he has to say, it hurts her a little, and he's like chuba matlab samjha, basically, and she's like ha chuba. So that scene is so perfect. And finally, she understands where he's coming from. And even the song right after that, like that 5-10 minutes, I can never miss that. Because even in the end of the song, Alka Yagnik is explaining ki dalta rahe Suraj because she's looking at her dad. And even in the song, the way they have shown, he's imagining in his life where she's doing a dance with his dad, and you know, she's doing they're in this like their social class wale group. Yeah, the music. La la, exactly. And he's doing like a dance.
And is there in Shaba Shaba first, right?
Exactly. And then she's imagining him in Chandni Chowk and her doing Karwa. It's so deep, nicely written is what I'm trying to say. So I love that scene from there, and it transitions so perfectly. Two red chunnis are flying, and then her dress flies into Egypt. You're suddenly now in Egypt. Okay? So it's crazy. I love that. And for Hrithik and Kareena. For Hrithik and Kareena, my favorite would be when the scene before Bole Chodiya.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
They have great chemistry.
What energy, man.
Yeah.
I
Too
mean, you can
Yeah,
just
because
feel
he's
it.
like, bol diya to. And you can tell that they're a younger couple.
Right.
So-
And we have been there. That's why it's so fun to watch it,
Yeah.
right?
And another scene I feel like, which he also really liked, is when Kajol and Shah Rukh meet for the first time. Hrithik and Rohan and Pooja are also meeting for the first time.
Right.
So it's going on parallelly,
Parallelly.
where she's like telling him to say Chandu ki chacha ne, and she's doing that whole Ashfaq Mia.
Right.
Oh, actually, that's also a great scene.
Great
when they meet
scene.
for the first time.
I mean, it's so hard to pick from a
So
movie
hard
like this,
to-
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one is like crazy.
Yeah. What's yours?
And then I already said the mall.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah.
mall.
What is your favorite song from this film? I know it's hard to decide because there's a lot.
I love this whole. I love all the songs, but my most favorite would be Suraj Hua Maddam.
Yeah.
And
I'd probably say the same thing.
yeah, Suraj Hua Maddam is my
And a
most.
close second for me is Bole Chudiya and Shaba Shaba actually.
Actually, Suraj Hua is here. Oh, You Are My Sonia, Banno Ki Saheli, Shava Shava, and which was the other one you said?
Bole Chudiya.
No, not Bole Chodiya. All of them are at second for. That's
Great
how it
songs.
goes.
I
Yeah.
think mine would be between Shava Shava and Kezona, You're My Sonia.
Yeah.
Shava Shava, because like every second wedding, you're like
Maybe.
doing a Shava Shava.
Yeah.
And
You don't know, even
Yeah.
if the people who don't know to dance.
yeah,
do this
yes. That, I mean, so it's a good relief
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
saves you.
Yeah. And even the track, right? It's going back and forth between
The
Chandni Chowk and, you know,
Right.
the whatever high society party. And it's still transitioned so seamlessly.
Yeah.
Because when you're listening to the song also, you're imagining the song, so you know what's going
Right.
on.
No, definitely.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, like, would this film work in 2025? And I think it has. Like, the genre of family drama has changed.
Yeah.
So I was trying to like think of examples, at least from the last couple of years, and Kapoor and Sons was one family drama
Oh, I
that was really
love
well.
Kapoor and Sons.
Dil Dhadakne Do,
Very, very good movies.
Badai Ho, That one's
Mhm.
more of a social commentary.
Yeah, but still family.
Yeah,
And then Rocky or Rani
Yeah, Rocky
Yeah.
Horror.
is probably
the
like
latest.
The
the
latest
successor
version.
to this, I guess.
Yeah.
The latest
Yeah.
blueprint.
And then Juk Juk Geo,
Juk
Right.
Juk
which is
Geo I
more
didn't
comedy. I
watch.
think it's
Yeah,
more
yeah.
comedy. Yeah, that one.
Excuse me. I didn't watch Juk Juk Geos.
I think yeah, it did not do as well, but I like the movie.
The movie,
Yeah.
yeah. But yeah, I mean,
But
overall,
but from like again, just sorry to cut you off,
of course.
but like thinking about if it would work today, I think the movie length would have to be substantially
Cut.
cut. I mean, lesser. I think
Yeah,
just to hold people's attention.
at least a 3 hour
Right,
mark.
right.
Yeah,
I
three and a half.
100%.
3.5 is really pushing it.
100%.
Yeah, that's
Um,
the, I think then it would for definitely work. I think it's not like it was just meant for that era. I think it's not that crazy that you
Yeah.
would be offended on any of these stuff. I mean, as much it's here and there. I think I understand, but
yeah.
in a way, it has aged well, as we
Yeah, it
pointed
has
out in the
aged
beginning.
very well.
Yeah. I mean, if we can sit and watch this film in one, which all of us did,
Yeah.
we sat and watched it in one sitting,
Yeah.
that's kind of crazy.
Right.
Yeah.
I think there's only two other films that I can do that.
Dilwale.
Dilwale and Mohabbatein. I can easily sit and watch it
Yeah.
Mm.
from start to finish.
And I think Lagan.
Lagan, I have to take.
Ye Lagan is 4 hours long.
Is it?
Yeah.
Almost 4 hours long.
Lagan, I definitely have to take breaks. Yeah, that I can't watch
ये
it.
तो एक मूवी 4 दिन में देखता है. No, I'm serious.
Yeah, it's hard for me.
And
to
maybe
sit.
even Jodhpur.
Jodhpur I have to also watch.
Shed.
That was
Shed.
a little bit long
Yeah.
for me. Yeah.
No, so but still, I'll say that this is one of those movies that I can sit 3.5
Sit through,
hours
yeah.
to 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
Because there's so much happening that they had to delete scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And really good ones. I think that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. We should, I mean, definitely watch it, the deleted ones. But
I'm going.
but what do you think about the outfits in the movie?
So,
Oh, amazing.
I mean,
I actually
that's-
wrote that down, but I didn't get to it. But I'm
So-
glad you
so
brought it
good.
up. It was really good. I think
very well done.
I was telling her, I think in the 2000s, people were just so used to wearing like bright
Yeah.
colors
Yeah.
that I wouldn't think to wear that now.
Yeah.
Um,
But you can pull it off, I think.
yeah, probably. But
Yeah.
But I think no one did style as well as Karan Johar and Manish Malhotra. I
Manish
think this was just their
Malhotra.
beginning.
Manish Malhotra, man. He's a Bollywood designer.
Exceptional outfits. I mean, especially for Ritik and Kareena
Correct.
in the London sections. I think good for, I mean, everybody in general, but I think they took it to a different level when they introduced Pooh.
Literally.
I mean, with the it's raining, man.
yeah.
Hello. I'm like, dude, London. I need to go to London now.
Yeah.
She's so iconic. That
She's
whole
iconic,
scene
yeah,
is
yeah.
insane.
Exceptional.
Yeah. That song got copyright.
Yeah,
And
they
got
sued
into
him.
some
Yeah,
heat. They got into
Yeah.
some heat because of that. It's crazy. Even in the club, right before You Are My Sonia plays, there's a song that I listen to. I think it's called Lady. And it's a club song. It's like actually playing in the background. I'm surprised they didn't get into any trouble
Right.
there. So I guess we can get to the must meter now.
Yeah.
Which is
We should ask the guest first.
yeah. So out of 5, what would you? I feel like I know the answer because you picked the movie. But out of 5, what would you give this movie?
I think from a 5, if I'm being like true to how I look forward to experiencing a movie, I think I would give it a good 4.
A 4.
4,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Well,
4.5.
I'd give it a 4.5. That's
Yeah.
I have it,
I see why
I
you
have it
give it a 4.5.
slightly above Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Yeah.
Because I prefer this one.
No, not yeah for me, but yeah for you.
It juggles just so much more. It's a more, I don't know, competent film, I think.
Yeah, but
for sure.
Thoda, you have to it came later also.
Yeah,
na?
it came later. I think they used, this is how I like to say it. Kuch Kuch Hota Hai walked or crawled. So Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum
Good
could
run.
run.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Uh,
mean, yeah.
So, yeah.
Boot polish of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Raj, did you see anything great recently that you wanted to?
I think, I mean, the Bads of Bollywood, that's the latest one that I watched. I just wrapped it up today in a day. And like, really good.
Recommend?
Yeah, I mean, it's a good. I would recommend that for someone to watch it, and it's a good debut for Aryan Khan.
Yeah,
I mean,
as a director.
like, you wouldn't expect that. I mean, given that technically you would say he's a nepotism product, but he has done exceptionally well, and I think he has an understanding of a lot of things that you would not expect not expect for a guy like him to have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's really fun to watch both
Yeah.
sides.
It's crazy because he is the nepotism product, but he's the nepotism product of the epitome of the most self-made man.
Right.
Okay, so I think that you can see in his
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Okay, and I watched only one episode ab tak, and I saw the scene where the police comes in and arrests the guy for whatever. Okay, and that's where I'm like, this guy knows exactly what he's doing, and I'm
Yeah.
so happy to see this scene right now.
Yeah.
Honestly,
I also watched the whole show. I binged it in like a day. And yeah, I mean, I see a lot of Farah Khan. So it reminded me a lot of Om Shanti Om in a good way, not in a bad way.
yeah,
And yeah, I think we're gonna probably do a separate episode
definitely,
on that.
definitely.
or on that show.
I'm gonna khadkav it tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna film that. And then did you see any other good movies?
Yeah, do you have any
Listen.
movie recommendations for our listeners?
As in,
Even Hollywood is fine.
Yeah,
too.
whatever.
I mean, new movies or good classics.
Up
Yeah,
to you.
anything, up to
Something
you.
you want to suggest. It could be more than one. चलिए यहाँ वाली बता दे और एक वहाँ वाली.
Acha. It's been a while. I mean, it's a classic movie,
Okay.
but I was surprised I did not watch it
Okay.
for so many years. I watched Seven by Brad Pitt.
Oh.
Classic.
I am surprised that I did not watch it until I'm 28. I mean, someone should slap me. But
Yeah.
Seven, I've also not watched.
No, you have seen Seven. You have seen. I've showed you.
What is the premise?
It's about the two detectives.
yeah,
Yeah.
It's too good.
what's in the box?
Yeah.
Then you
Then find out what's
movie.
in the
Yeah.
box.
Yeah, please don't remind me what the heck was it.
I did not see that coming. But yeah, I mean, David Fincher, always a classic.
Crazy.
Too good.
Love it.
Too good.
And from Bollywood, a good movie to recommend.
From your
Damn.
like, what?
Even a bad one. You
Yeah.
can recommend it too.
A bad one.
You didn't see Param Sundari.
No, I haven't, but I'll watch it
Watch it.
sometime
You
on
are probably not going to see Boggy 4.
Please don't.
I mean, if there comes a day there's nothing to watch, maybe I will. But
Please don't.
but I'm sure that
I
won't.
know.
कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
It's not necessary.
Yeah.
Not necessarily. Like, I should value my
कोई
time.
जरूरत.
Value your
But I still watch
No
Param.
hate to anyone, but तेरा time खोटी करने
Yeah,
की तुझे
true,
जरूरत
true.
नहीं है.
But yeah, Param Sundari for sure I'll watch.
Yeah.
But something I'm looking forward to is again Jolly LLB 3.
Yes, me too.
That would be
I
a
know
that would be
that
a fun
That one
watch.
is
sounds-
actually out
But me-
now.
Huh?
It is
It is
out
technically
already,
right. It's Friday today,
Oh,
Yeah.
so we should go.
Yeah.
Sunday को
I
weekend.
really want to
and
see.
I'm really excited for the Smashing Machine by Dwayne Johnson and Emily
Oh,
Blunt.
yeah, that looks awesome.
Benny
Emily Blunt, I can watch her in it.
beautiful, and Benny Safdie is directing it for the first time,
Be crazy.
not with his brother. Usually they direct
Yeah,
it
they do.
together,
It's crazy. So they're both directing their own movies,
right?
and one is with Timothy Chalamet,
Oh,
and
shit.
the other one is with The Rock.
Well,
And
yeah.
they both look amazing.
yeah,
Um,
and
I'm so excited.
A24 is backing both those movies. So
Yeah.
Oh my god, that means it's gonna be
Yeah.
good.
crazy. Are you looking forward to anything? I feel like I'm like kind of done for the year.
Whatever he said, and no, I'm not done for
For
the year.
Bollywood, I feel
For,
like I'm
for
done.
Jolly
Bollywood
LLB.
in this year, you mean?
Yeah.
I am waiting for Dhurandhar.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
How
I
can you forget about
mean,
Dhurandhar?
you're
December,
right, you're
Yeah,
right.
December.
Yeah.
Dhurandhar is going to be great.
That's what I said. I'm not done. I don't know how
Yeah.
you're done right now.
Yeah. And Alpha, I feel like
Alpha.
I have high hopes.
Yeah, that would be a
They better
Dark
give
Horse, Dark
Sharvari
Horse.
and Alia equal status.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll be really pissed because Sharvari looks very
I
promising.
think I'm backing her as the one of the upcoming actresses.
Yes, yes, yes.
Someone to look
She's
out
choosing
for.
the right role.
She's
Yeah.
too good and she's not doing kuch bhi just to
Right.
get. She's doing roles that she wants to do. And even in an interview, she comes across as someone that wants to just work and leave.
Right, and she's
you know?
working on herself, and
Yes.
that's so important. As
Exactly.
in, and also I think
शर्वरी पे आपको क्रश है ये तो मुझे समझ में ये तो समझ गया
that's
मुझे भी see.
yeah, and also it's the YRF effect. I think
Yeah.
when once you're under the YRF umbrella, I think they take care of you in ways that you would want.
Well, that's pretty much it. I don't think we have anything else to cover. But thank you so much, Raj, for joining us today. This
We
was
had
a
so much
lot
fun.
of fun, and it's great again to speak to someone that is so passionate about films like us. And yeah, do you have anything you want to plug or no?
I'm really just like happy to be here, man. I mean,
He doesn't
that
want
that
anyone to follow him.
Yeah. I should think
like that. No,
that's
no. I'm like I'm always underground when it
Yeah,
comes
He's an
to
he's a
everything.
yeah.
But
He's a low key guy. But
yeah.
any girls, that's all I'll say. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, thank you for having me here, guys. I mean, you know how much movie means to me. Mean to me. I mean, and the fact that you guys had me here shows that how important it is to have meaningful conversations about movies,
Of course.
right? And always keeping a standard, as you mentioned in the beginning, as in having a good standard
Yeah.
and understanding the finer nuances of a movie, not just on a surface level, but as to what kind of efforts that go into making a movie,
Definitely.
from
Yeah.
like direction, even lighting, right? And it's so important
Every-
now that you're doing a podcast of your own. It's so important that that's what I was talking about. You learn so many things in every aspect or in every new video, right?
Exactly.
Right, and that's the fun part of it. And on top of that, you get the opportunity to talk about good movies. It's just like a win-win situation.
Yeah.
So I'm
Definitely.
just glad to be here, and I
Thank
appreciate
you.
Thank you
And
so
we
much.
loved having you. We loved having you as one of our first friends to ever come on this podcast.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. Hopefully, this encourages
Yeah.
our other friends as
Yeah, I
well.
mean-
Yeah.
I mean, I just to say that I've watched like a lot of your videos. I mean, the ones, of course the dance numbers that you do, exceptional, and I'm a fellow subscriber. But I mean, I've also watched this new version of your channel, that is the podcast version that you're getting into. And again, I'm a viewer. You guys know that I watch all your
Yes,
stuff,
yes.
and it's always exciting to see you guys putting out new stuff and see how you go ahead from here.
Thank
We
you,
appreciate it,
Raj.
man.
We love you.
Thank you so much. Well, thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Like I said, please rate us on podcasts, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let us know if you guys want us to revisit any films. We'd be glad to do that. And yeah, we'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.